Well, howdy ho, friends of the farm. Today we're going to be putting in the third row of sunflower transplants. And if you watched the first video, you saw me on my hands and knees using a hand trowel every 12 inches for 150 feet. And I'm a big fan of working smarter and not harder. So I picked up a garden auger, power auger, that's the right diameter for my sunflower transplants. And it should, well, it's designed to just go on the end of a cordless drill, and you can drill your holes and drop your sunflower transplants or bulbs, whatever you want down in there. So I've never used one of these. I'm going to give it a shot. I'm going to take you along with me. So we got a third row of sunflowers to put in. You see the row behind me, the two rows, they're doing good, should be blooming soon. So we got some fun work to do. Let's get going. All right, well, that garden auger is definitely a game changer. I was able to save a lot of time and a lot of effort getting those holes drilled all at once instead of using the hand trowel. I turned the irrigation tape on for about 30 minutes prior, and that soaked the ground just enough so when I drilled the holes, they seemed to stay intact. I think if I drilled into the dry ground, it would just sort of sink in and wouldn't be an effective hole. So pre-soaking it, definitely the way to go. And definitely going to be using that auger for the next row that I put in, which will be in 2 weeks. I'm going to go start row 4 right now in the greenhouse, and then in 2 weeks we'll get it planted, and by that time row number 1 behind me right there should be ready to bloom and be ready to cut and be available for y'all. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. You take it easy. It held the sides of the holes in nicely so that it didn't. This frickin' thing. Chickadee check, check, chickadee chuck, chickadee chockadee chuck. That garden auger is a game changer. That saved a lot. God damn it.